I'm a leader of my own life. Period. And if you know you do have self-esteem issues just like something else I did different this time is to set goals that have deadlines. So I made them very simple and realistic. So this video will definitely be for you. So the next 5 years is gonna be work, be authentic and figure out what that is to me. Hey guys, hey loves, welcome back to 2023. We all made it to 2023. Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to myself. Thank you, Jesus, for bringing us to this year, to see this beautiful 2023, and I'm super excited to see what this year holds. Anyway, today's video is about goals. If anyone knows me knows that I'm such a dreamy person, very dreamy. Most of the time I end up not achieving my goals, so this time I said I'm gonna set goals that are very realistic and very simple because a girl is turning 25 this year. Guys, I am growing very much old, and 25 is a milestone for me because it's like I'm now an adult, you know, like adult, and I have to make decisions for myself. So this year we are doing something different. So I did set goals in my book that are very simple and realistic, and I'm gonna share them with you guys, and I'm gonna encourage you guys to subscribe. My goal was to get to 2K last year. We did it, but this year we're gonna do it, okay? And please make sure you comment down below in whichever section you would like to comment on, because I categorized my goals into 5 sections. But before that, I'm gonna share my 2 words for the year, and I'm super sorry because it's very windy where I'm sitting, but it's beautiful out here. Yeah, my 2 words of the year are show up and workaholic. This year is all about work. I'm gonna work my ass off, and I'm starting my journey to 30. You know the way people have, you know, by 30 you should have this. I only have one thing that I'm asking the universe of. Just one thing, universe, for me to be financially stable by 30. So the next 5 years is gonna be work. The other word that is show up, it's basically for myself, to keep showing up for myself. Last year I did not attend most of the interviews that I was called for. This year I'm gonna attend each and every interview. I keep showing up for myself and for my goals and my dreams, because who else can if not me? Nobody, you know. And if you know you do have self-esteem issues just like me to some extent, I just can't work on my goals because I feel like they're too big for me to achieve them. So I made them very simple and realistic. So this video will definitely be for you, to guide you on how you can make your goals very simple enough for you to achieve them. If you are like me, we have problems with believing in ourselves. I categorized my goals into 5 sections, and we're gonna start with the first one, which is spiritual. I'm not going to talk into details in all of them because we will be here forever. Spiritual, I want constantly talking to God, and for me that is, I don't like the word prayer because it sounds so big and like I'm coming to somewhere where I can't be honest with myself. So saying talking to God makes me feel like I can talk to God anytime, anywhere. Just like here, Jesus is here with me. Another one is to buy a new Bible, a Good News Bible to be precise, because it's quite simple, and highlights and notebook. And yeah, that one is for my birthday gift for myself, which is in just 2 months. I find online devotions to help me because for some reason I just can't do Bible study on my own. I need devotions to help me. And then consistent church going, which that one I know it's gonna be very easy. Next section is finances / career. Number 1, I said I have a job that earns me at least 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month before my birthday. Something else I did different this time is to set goals that have deadlines. Like this one has to be in the next 2 months. I need to find a job, and I put 10K because I feel like it's not quite big for me to achieve. I'm giving myself grace period because finding a job is not easy. Giving myself 6 months, but also 2 months for me to have something going on. You know, I should be turning 25 while at least one section of my life is working. You know, like I'm busy. Another is learn how to make money consistently for at least 6 months. That is from the time I get a job, at least 6 months this year. That's why my grace period is until June. I need to have a job. This is just more about proving to myself that I can take care of myself, that I can be an adult, that I can do what I gotta do, what adults do. You know, it's just proving to myself that I can earn money, just learning how to make money. It's basics for me this year. Basics. Show up in all interviews, which I've already explained. For some reason last year I did not attend most of the interviews because again I'm 8 hours away from Nairobi. All interviews are in Nairobi, and I just kept asking myself, what if I go and I don't get the job? Self-esteem problems, you guys. And I'm just like, why am I going to waste all that money? Nipande gari, go there. But now at least I have a friend in Nairobi who can accommodate me, so it's gonna be easier, so that I don't have to travel like at night, get there, interview in the morning, and then come back the same night. And next is I'm saving for my forever business or any other business I want to start. So this year I'm not doing any business shenanigans, but you can still buy from me, okay? Skincare products. But I'm not actively doing business because I want to save for it. When I started my business, I feel like I wasn't strategic. I did not plan. So this time we are gonna have 1 year savings, God willing, by next year 2024, and then we can start either another business or continue with the one that I had started. But I would love to start like my own, you know. Next is research, stroke plan and strategies for my business, and lastly have at least 50,000 Kenyan shilling savings. Last year I managed to at least save until 20k, but ilifika tu hapo and it dropped very soon because adulting, you got bills to pay. Next section is YouTube stock Instagram, and basically just content creation. I hit 2k subscribers, now targeting 5k, so please subscribe, get me to 2k, okay? Be consistent with content. I feel like I'm good at that. Be authentic and figure out what that is to me. I still don't know how to be so authentic on here on this platform, still learning. Make my community stronger. That's why I reply to your comments, so comment down below. Go live once a month for 1 hour. I watched a video where they said going live will be good for you to grow on YouTube. Be creative with valuable content ideas. And live thing, I don't know how to go live on YouTube, but I'll figure that out. Have at least 1 collaborations with who, I don't know. Buy a microphone, that one I'm gonna do. Next is self-development section. Keep reading books, I'm quite good at that. It's just all about continuing. Buy myself at least 1 physical book. It's all about, again, proving to myself that I can do this adulting thing. Next is maintain my self-care routine, skincare, manicure. I do my own nails. Hygiene, pedicure. I'm used to doing them for myself, so that will be quite easy. It's just all about maintaining it and continuing with what I'd already started. Dress up for my confidence to feel good. Again, I'm always the most confident when my hair is made, when my outfit is bomb. So it's all about showing up. Again, going back to the word of the year, self-talk, stock affirm myself and my confidence, to be specific, because I have accepted I do have self-esteem problems, so I need to affirm myself. Lastly, I am a leader of my own life. Period. Section is relationships. Yay! Go back to Tinder stroke online dating because I wanna meet new people. I gotta do this. You know, I was in Tinder before, but not for long. Put myself out there and date more, stroke meet people, stroke connect, stroke network with people. I have worked on myself for so many years, so now I think it's time for me to work on myself on things that are outside me, you know, like how to interact with the people. Basically, as an introvert, I gotta learn that this year. Lastly is I stick to my values like spiritual beliefs, integrity, mutual beneficial, trust and respect. That is what I want my relationships to be all about, like both platonic, romantic, anything. They have to align with my values. Yeah, those are very, very simple goals for me, you guys. Comment down below which section you want. Career, maybe tell us what your goal will be. Tell me, I wanna connect with you guys. So that is it about my goals for this year. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to see you guys until December this year. Let's rock this channel together, and I'm super excited. So, bye. Subscribe.